Thanks, Aditya, for joining me with your inputs and now shifting focus. Now, on your screens, viewers, you can see the heartbreaking scenes of the wife of Wing Commander Afshan saluting her husband, Wing Commander Namaz Syal. She's seen paying her last respects to her late husband. Wing Commander Namaz Syal had lost his life in the tragic LCA Tejas crash in Dubai on 21st November. Wing Commander Namaj is also survived by his 7-year-old daughter. So very, very unfortunate, viewers, the details that we're sharing with you. And this is, of course, the kind of sacrifice that the Indian defense makes for us every day. And this is, of course, a profession that must be completely respected. And we must remember how much the Indian defense does for us every day. These are very, very heartbreaking visuals on your screens. And of course, there is the wife of Wing Commander Afshan. And she's, of course, saluting her husband. And she's, of course, you can see those visuals, very upsetting. They also have a 7-year-old daughter. The 7-year-old daughter, of course, has just lost her father. And this is very, very heartbreaking visuals there on your screens. But this is, of course, a reminder about how much the Indian defense does for us fearlessly every day. And I have my colleague Anurag Sharma joining me with more details. Anurag, we're sharing these very heartbreaking visuals with our viewers. What more can you tell us?
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी बात, जिस तरह की तस्वीरें हम आज देख रहे हैं, इसमें पूरा हिमाचल जो है वो पूरा गमगीन इस वक्त दिखाई दे रहा है, क्योंकि नमाज की जो डेड बॉडी है वो जैसे ही लाई गई, हजारों लोगों का हुजूम जो था वो यहाँ पर उमड़ गया है। हालांकि आर्मी के जवान सारी वहां पर तैनात थे, सारे लोग जय माता जय भारत माता के नारे के साथ में नमाज को यहाँ लाया गया है। उनकी 7 साल की बेटी थी, उसको भी साथ में वो साथ ही बल्कि आई है, और साथ में जो इनके चचेरे भाई के बेटे हैं, क्योंकि नमाज जो है वो इकलौती औलाद है, परंतु इनके जो चचेरे भाई हैं उन्होंने आज जो है वो मुखाग्नि जो है उनको दी है। तो अभी इस तरह की चल रहा है। हालांकि बहुत शोकाकुल है, पूरे हिमाचल में ये शोक की लहर है। बहुत से नेताओं के जो है वो सवाल और उनके शोक संदेश जो है वो हमें देखने को मिल रहे हैं। इस तरह की स्थितियां अभी हिमाचल में बनी हुई हैं।
जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सारी जानकारी के लिए। एंड नाउ वी आर लर्निंग that Wing Commander Namaj Syal's funeral pyre will be lit by his cousin. The Wing Commander, who tragically lost his life in the Tejas crash, has no biological brother. He was posted in Salur in Coimbatore. So, of course, that is the latest news that is coming in. And, of course, viewers, very, very heartbreaking indeed. All right, so viewers, these are very, very disturbing visuals on your screen, of course. Now, Wing Commander, we're talking about the big sacrifice that, of course, the Indian defense makes for us every day. And this is a profession that should be spoken about. We must respect everything that the Indian defense is doing for us. And we're, of course, learning, the latest that we're getting in is that we're learning that Wing Commander Namaj Syal's funeral pyre will be lit by his cousin. And the Wing Commander, of course, who tragically lost his life in the Tejas crash, has no biological brother. And he was, of course, posted in Salur. Very, very upsetting to see that he's passed away. And now, of course, we have my colleague Anurag joining me with more details. Anurag, what more can you tell us?
देखिए, जिन तरह के अभी जो चचेरे भाई हैं उनके साथ में अभी जो है वो मुखाग्नि दी गई है। अभी बाकी तो अभी जिस तरह का प्रोसेस चल रहा है वही है, परंतु जो विंग कमांडर है वो सयाल जो पार्थिव देह के साथ में पैतृक अपने पट्टियाल लक्कड़ जगह है जो वहां पर लाई गई है, और जोगिंद्रा सयाल जो है उनके फादर हैं और जो लोग हैं उनका जो है वो यहाँ पर पूरा दुखद जो है वो क्रिमेशन किया जा रहा है।
जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सारी जानकारी के लिए। एंड नाउ, वेल, amid the ongoing nationwide SIR, Chief Electoral Officer of Uttar Pradesh